sensor. How it is using the microwave. So what is meant by sensor? Area? Anything, whatever you know about. Yeah, yeah. So for detecting something, we need what? We have to give some inputs to that device. So based on how we give the device inputs. Yeah, in programming. So based on what are the requirements, like physical quality, what will detect some human perception of the object in what we have to find out how they are moving based on the motion. So that is motion, speed, and distance. All these are the parameters for based on so one type. So what are the different types of sensors? For example, what are the sensor? Then, right. Mm. So all these are there. So based on all these sensors work based on two types of signals. One is active type of signal, one is another is passive type. What is active type of signal is it will generate that energy on its own, like artificially whatever we are doing, like photo, light, everything is artificial. That is we call it an active sensor. Passive is like we have to detect the sensor signals to be the which is dependent on the parameter. Like if you are designing some car for car speed distance, we have to find out what is the dependent. It is dependent on that speed is a thing. So we now will see that microwave sensor in deep analysis. So for this microwave sensor, uh, like what way we use this, we use in the radar object detection. So the radar object detection is like for long distance communication for the signal penetrating from one side to the other side. So we have to. So the radar sensor will first it will from transmitting a signal. Transmitter will transmit the signal. It will has to detect the object. After detecting, it will wait like active thing, it will wait and after the detecting the Husna it will bounce back. That bouncing we call as a reflection of this signal. So it depends upon how it is like operational. So the one is we have to find what is the emission and reflection of the signal. Okay, and after that they will apply the Doppler effect. The Doppler effect is based on the Doppler effect only we can able to find out whether that signal has been penetrating from one side to other side. We can use this Doppler sensor on this wall also. If we keep on the wall, we can able to find what is happening behind the wall. That is all the things are there. So this based on this, now we'll see one case study like how that auto we use that microwave sensors in a car vehicle. So whatever you have know about this car, what is the thing? First priority we have to see when think of car. Yeah. So now we're discussing about sensors with microwaves. We'll go with the electronics. So that everything is electronics is based on the antenna. How we are placing that antenna devices. So do you have any idea that where we place the antenna sensor? Karnataka. So how after placing what we will be getting then from the antenna? Frequency. For automatic targeting, what first thing is what we see? We see that what are the distance, what the object is penetrating to it. Right side, what is the range? Now we see that we are seeing that microwave radar sensor. So we see the how it is detected. The detection is happening based on the emitting of microwave signals. That is based on transmitting the signal and then reflecting the signals. So on this vehicle effect. Vehicle effect is we have to see that what is the distance of transmitting and the receiving object distance. That's one. First thing is we have to see where is the object is. Next is based on this object we have to calculate the speed calculation. Speed calculation is done by the Doppler effect. This Doppler effect is nothing but this is a very good concept like for following the line of sight. If you are standing something, if you want to detect the object in some distance, some other way, so it will transmit the signal from here. So when it is going to this other side of the signal will penetrate. The initial penetration will be very small. Later on, it will be the high amount of the radiation. This Doppler effect microwave sensor we use practically we use for human detection.